The allure of mountain homes: architectural styles that celebrate nature. Introduction: Discovering Mountain Homes. Welcome to our channel, Nookup YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we're diving into the allure of mountain homes, showcasing architectural styles that beautifully celebrate nature. If you love innovative designs that harmonize with their surroundings, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences regarding mountain living. Let's embark on this journey through the stunning landscapes and unique architectural styles that define these homes. Embracing nature, the philosophy behind mountain architecture. Mountain architecture isn't just about building, it's a philosophy that embraces the natural world. The design of mountain homes often reflects a deep respect for the environment. Architects seek to create structures that blend seamlessly into their surroundings, using materials that are both aesthetically pleasing and eco-friendly. This approach minimizes disruption to the landscape and allows homeowners to feel at one with nature. In this section, we'll explore how the principles of sustainability and natural harmony guide the design process, resulting in homes that are not only Rustic charm, the allure of log cabins. Log cabins epitomize rustic mountain living, with their warm, inviting aesthetics and connection to nature. These homes utilize locally sourced timber, giving them a unique character that reflects the surrounding landscape. The rich textures of wood, combined with stone and natural elements, create an atmosphere of comfort and tranquility. In this paragraph, we'll delve into the various styles of log cabins, from traditional to modern interpretations, and discuss how they incorporate features like large windows and open spaces that invite the outdoors inside. Modern mountain retreats, blending comfort with contemporary design. While rustic designs hold a special place in mountain architecture, modern mountain retreats offer a fresh take on the genre. These homes often feature sleek lines, expansive glass walls, and innovative layouts that maximize views of the stunning surroundings. The use of modern materials like steel and concrete provides a striking contrast to the natural elements of the landscape. In this section, we'll examine how contemporary mountain homes incorporate open floor plans and multifunctional spaces, making them perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Eco-friendly designs, sustainable mountain living. Sustainability is a key focus in modern mountain architecture. Many designers are prioritizing eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems to minimize their environmental impact. From solar panels to rainwater harvesting systems, today's mountain homes are designed to coexist harmoniously with nature while providing all the comforts of modern living. This section will explore various sustainable practices in mountain home design, showcasing innovative examples that inspire a greener way of living. Capturing views, architectural innovations for scenic vistas. One of the most enchanting aspects of mountain homes is their breathtaking views. Architects often design homes with large windows, balconies, and terraces that provide panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys. In this paragraph, we'll discuss innovative architectural strategies used to frame these views, such as cantilevered decks and strategically placed windows that enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. We'll also highlight how these design choices create an ever-changing backdrop that enriches daily living. Cozy interiors, creating warm and inviting spaces. The interior design of mountain homes plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall experience of mountain living. Cozy, inviting spaces are often created through the use of warm colors, natural materials, and thoughtful layouts that promote relaxation and comfort. In this section, we'll explore how interior designers use elements like stone fireplaces, wood beams, and plush furnishings to craft spaces that feel like a true retreat from the world. We'll also highlight the importance of lighting in creating a warm atmosphere, especially during those long winter nights. Blending tradition with modernity, eclectic mountain styles. Mountain architecture isn't limited to just one style, it encompasses a wide range of influences that can be combined for unique results. This eclectic approach allows homeowners to infuse their personal tastes into their mountain retreats. In this paragraph, we'll explore how various architectural styles, such as traditional alpine chalets, contemporary minimalism, and rustic farmhouses, can be blended to create one-of-a-kind homes. We'll also discuss how this fusion of styles can lead to innovative design. Outdoor living, extending spaces beyond walls. Outdoor living spaces are an essential element of mountain homes, allowing residents to fully enjoy their stunning surroundings. Decks, patios, and outdoor kitchens become extensions of the home, providing opportunities for relaxation and entertainment in nature. This section will delve into the various outdoor features that enhance mountain living, such as fire pits, hot tubs, and landscaped gardens. We'll discuss how these elements foster a deeper connection with the outdoors and create inviting spaces for family gatherings and socializing. Conclusion: embracing the magic of mountain living. As we've explored today, mountain homes offer a unique blend of architectural beauty and natural wonder. Whether through rustic log cabins, modern retreats, or sustainable designs, these homes celebrate the environment and provide a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We hope this journey has inspired you to appreciate the artistry of mountain architecture and consider its possibilities for your own living space. Don't forget to subscribe to Nook Up for more insights into architecture and design, and like and comment below to